To perform the prone stretch, start by lying face down on a mat.
First, engage your core and slowly tilt the pelvis backward, pressing your lower back into the mat. Hold it there, then gently release back to neutral. Lower into the squat, keeping your core tight. Now slowly bend to the right, feeling the stretch along your left side. Now, on an inhale, come back through center. On an exhale, side bend to the left. Now, on a straight arch to spios. It's very important that you work on your mobility as an athlete. This exercise is great for improving your flexibility and strengthening your core. So now with the squat side bends, we're gonna come down and touch the floor on either side.